Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's lesson, we'll continue our journey into C# programming using Visual Studio Code. This time, we'll learn something fun and practical: how to create a program that prints your name, age, and hobby. By the end of this video, you'll see how simple it is to display personal information on the console and understand the basics of input and output in C#. In programming, one of the first things we learn is how to display information on the screen. Printing your name, age, and hobby might look simple, but it's an important step in understanding how output works in C#. This skill is widely used in many applications, from showing messages to displaying user details. For example, if you were building a student profile system, you'd need to show basic information like name and age. Today, we'll practice this using Console.WriteLine in C#. Watch the video on how to use C# using VS Code. So to recap, we've learned how to use Console.WriteLine to display text in C#. We applied this by creating a short program that prints your name, age, and hobby directly to the console. You now understand how output statements work, why they're essential in programming, and how this simple concept will serve as the foundation for more advanced topics, like user input and data storage, in the coming lessons. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this beginner-friendly activity in C#. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe so you won't miss our next lessons. In the upcoming videos, we'll move on to more exciting topics, like getting input from the user and working with decision structures. Keep practicing, and happy coding!